Hello gamers! Zizi, there was this person who requested for a 60k PC build in the comments of one of my videos. So for you, we are here with the best configuration under your budget, and I've also got a small surprise for you which will be up at the end. Let me show you the components we have chosen. The heart and brain of the PC, the CPU. This processor is from Intel i5 12400F. This has got 6 cores and 12 threads with up to 4.40 GHz clock speed. Also, this comes with a stock cooler, so there is no need for an external cooler for your system. This is the motherboard we have chosen for you. MSI B760M Bomber Wi-Fi with DDR5 support. This motherboard has got 2 RAM slots. For now, we'll be using only 1 RAM slot in this, but in the future, you can upgrade it by using another RAM stick. And coming to the RAM, this one's for you. G-Skill Ripjaws S5 16GB memory and DDR5 support, 5200 MHz of speed. Next, the SSD is from XPG Gamix S60 PCI Gen 4 NVMe SSD card, 512GB storage. This one is gonna offer you with great memory under your budget. I know, you've been waiting for this, the graphics card. This one is from MSI GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card, 6GB GDDR6 VRAM, OC edition, 2 fans for a better airflow. This graphics card is gonna offer you some efficient performance. This colorful cabinet, MSI Mag Pro 4th M0508. Look at this. This comes with an attractive front panel on the side, glass panel to highlight your interiors, 4 fans for an optimal airflow for your whole system. To power up all this, MSI Mag is 650BN, 650 watts of power supply. Also, this has got an 80+ bronze certification. Now, this is the whole PC setup under 60k for you. Surprise, which I've mentioned in the beginning. It's about the monitor, the keyboard and the mouse for you under this setup. The monitor is from ViewSonic with IPS panel, 2479 HD Pro, 24 inches display, the refresh rate of 180Hz. Ola F2023 combo wired gaming keyboard and mouse for you. How do you find these specifications that we have chosen for you? I'm sure you liked it. And for you others also, if you want to get your customized PC built in your budget, come visit our Vishal Computech and Vishal Peripheral stores. Also, you can log into www.vishalperipherals.com. All my beautiful women, whoever of you visits our Vishal Computech Begumpet store by watching my videos, you will get an instant 1000 rupees discount on laptops and PCs. All you have to do is just show which video of mine you have watched at this reception. You will directly receive the 1000 rupees discount after your shopping. So for more such updates, stay tuned to our channel. Happy gaming. Peace out.